Solve the equation below. Which of the following is true? Okay, so I have different denominators, so I'm going to start by making bigger fractions so that I can build a common denominator. And that x squared minus 4, that factors to x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so if we treat this like a toy box, this toy box has two toys in it, an x plus 2 and an x minus 2. These two toy box These two toy boxes only have one of those two toys. We need to fill them up so that they all have the same toy box. So I'm going to give this one an x minus 2, and I'm going to give this one an x plus 2. And then I can multiply this whole equation by the common denominator, and all of the denominators will just poof, go away. Okay, so I can just multiply both sides of the equation by x plus 2, x minus 2. And that has the effect of canceling every single one of the denominators. So all I'm left with are the numerators, and I have 6x minus 12 minus 4x minus 8 equals 6. So very little tricky step there is that this negative sign has to get distributed um, as well as the 4. So this is 4x plus 8, but then you have to distribute this negative sign. So you get negative 4x minus 8. Okay, then I'm going to solve this equation. So 6x minus 4x is 2x. Negative 12 minus 8 is negative 20 equals 6. So 2x equals 26. So x equals 13. So I only have one potential solution. So I can immediately eliminate C and D, that there aren't two solutions. I'm going to look for 13 in my lists, and I find 13 right here. So I'm going to go with option B. Um, Again, you should double check your answer to make sure it's correct. So let's do that over here. So I'm going to have 6 over 13 plus 2 minus 4 over 13 minus 2. Does that equal 6 over 13 squared minus 4? So this is 6 over 15 minus 4 over 11. Does that equal 6 over 169 minus 4 is 165? Well, to check that these two expressions are equivalent, I need to actually subtract these two fractions, which means get a common denominator. Um, 11 is prime, so these have no common factors. I have to just use 11 and 15. So I'm going to multiply this one by 11 over 11 and this one by 15 over 15. So I get 66 over 165 minus 60 over 165, which is in fact 6 over 165.